Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete web receipts on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, tap the icon in the bottom right corner to access your transaction history. Here, you will see a list of all transactions, including web receipts. Now, Cash App does not allow users to delete individual transactions, including web receipts. Once a transaction is completed, it stays in your history permanently. However, there is a workaround. If you absolutely need to remove a transaction from your account, the only option is to delete your Cash App account and create a new one. Before doing this, make sure to clear your balance by transferring or withdrawing all funds. If you have stocks or Bitcoin, sell or transfer them first. To delete your account, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit, select Support. Tap Account Settings, then tap on Close your Cash App account. Make sure your balance is 0 before proceeding. Once your account is closed, you can create a new one, but keep in mind this will reset everything, including your linked cards and Bitcoin address. So that's basically how you can delete web receipts on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.